The easy way to fix the Windows 11 display color problem. First thing first, right click and click on show more option. If you have installed NVIDIA graphic card, you will find this option. If you have not, it will be your integrated processor graphics. It can be Intel graphics control panel. It can be AMD graphics control panel. Anyway, you have to click on this NVIDIA control panel. First, on the left pane, find this display. Under the display, you have to click on this adjust desktop color settings. No matter, my friend, what graphics you are using, this option will be definitely available, and from here you don't need to change any kind of slider here and there. It will just waste your time. You have to find this restore default. Simple click on this. On the right, on the top right, simply click on this restore defaults. This will reset all your color settings sliders here and there. Anyway, then click on this apply. One more thing you can do, from here you can choose how color is set. You can choose this use NVIDIA settings and simply click on this apply, and your color setting problem is fixed. And as you notice, my friend, the video color setting problem is very successfully fixed. And one more extra thing you can do, on the left pane you can find this video. Under the video section, click on this adjust video color setting, and from here you can also restore defaults. Click on this restore default, and under you will find apply. Click on apply. And one more thing, on under the video you can find this adjust video image setting, and similarly here restore defaults. Click on this restore default and click on apply, and your problem will hopefully definitely will be fixed. And hopefully, my friend, your display color setting problem in Windows 11 will be fixed. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe for more.